Hi there, welcome back to yet another session in this series of videos. In the previous session, we talked about how an application is examined, and based on the controller's decision, either we have an acceptance or rejections. In case of rejections, you can appeal the controller's decision at the High Court within 3 months from the controller's decision's date. Rule 20, section 5.4. In case the controller's decision was in our favor, then what happens? Happy times, right? So in this session, we will discuss about the steps of registration and publication and what happens with registration and with publication. Let's get into the session then. In case of favorable outcomes, the design is registered and a certificate of registration is issued to the applicant or the proprietor under section 9, rule 17. Once the design is registered, the proprietor can enjoy copyrights on the design. For how long can they enjoy the copyright? As per section 11.1, the copyright on design registration is valid for 10 years, which can be further extended by another 5 years as per section 11.2. Rule 23, using Form 3. The Form 3 has to be filed before the expiry of the initial 10 years. But at this stage, you may have a question. We have two types of application. Application which is ordinary as per section 5 and convention application, reciprocity application as per section 44. So how do we compute 10 years? So the 10 years are computed from the date of the application. In case of ordinary application, India filing date is considered. In case of convention filing date is considered. From that particular date, the 10 years are considered for the term of the copyright. So during this term, our applicant or proprietor has the legal rights around the design registration. Another thing that happens on successful registration of design is publication. Make a note. In case of design registration, publications don't happen if the design is not allowed or accepted. If the design is refused, no documents, no information with regards to or corresponding to this particular design is made public ever. That remains confidential with the patent office. This is different from patents, where every patent gets published, because without publication, examination cannot start. Remember the fact. Anyway, so in case where the design is accepted, under section 7, rule 22, publication happens. So what all happens once publication has happened? So the details regarding the design are maintained in a design register as per section 10. All the relevant details with regards to the proprietor, with regards to the classes, with regards to the articles, with regards to the duration of the copyright or any extension that have been filed, or any ownership transfers, assignments are entered in the register. And this register is open for public inspection as per section 17, rule 27. Anybody who wishes to inspect the register with regards to a design registration can do so by filing Form 5 and providing relevant details with regards to any particular design, whether with number or without number, by providing class, by providing maybe proprietor name or other details. Similarly, public at large can obtain certified copies or information with regards to design registration by using Form 6 and 7. So Form 5, 6, 7 are relevant forms for the design register to be used by public to inspect the register, or to retrieve the information, or to retrieve the certified copies. Perfect. So this brings us to the end of this session. Very short session, but then with a lot of information. At this stage, we have got our design registered with the patent office. Next is what? How do we enjoy our rights? In fact, what kind of rights do we have? Do we have any obligations or responsibilities while we enjoy the rights? Tune in to the next session to find answers to these questions. Till then, take care and bye.